Hello everyone. NIO recent Power Day event revealed groundbreaking developments, including the introduction of battery swap franchising with 3 distinct business models, an expansion plan that could redefine the electric vehicle infrastructure landscape. In this comprehensive recap, we'll explore everything announced during the event, highlighting key takeaways and what they mean for NIO future. NIO Power Day is an annual event where the company showcases its latest innovations and updates in battery technology, infrastructure expansion, and strategic partnerships. This year's event was packed with significant announcements, and I've got all the details you need. First off, NIO CEO William Lai took the stage to deliver several key updates, beginning with a discussion on the Battery Asset Management Company. This company, established in Wuhan in 2020, plays a crucial role in NIO's strategy to manage battery assets efficiently. The Battery Asset Management Company received a significant 1.5 billion RMB investment, further solidifying NIO's vision for the future. With this investment, NIO Power will establish its new headquarters in Wuhan and build a new factory dedicated to battery swap stations. This factory, known as Swap Station Factory #3, will have an annual capacity of over 1,000 swap stations and will cover 20,000 square meters. This expansion highlights NIO's commitment to creating a robust infrastructure to support its growing customer base. NIO's philosophy has always centered around being user-centric, tech-driven, and focused on infrastructure first, while remaining open to cooperation. Lai emphasized that just as gas stations are strategically located for convenience, so should swap stations. NIO's approach is to expand its network through partnerships, ensuring that its users have the most convenient access possible. As of now, there are approximately 7.12 million new energy vehicles in China, with only about 30% of them having private home chargers. This presents a massive opportunity for NIO, which currently operates 2,480 swap stations and 20,009 public chargers, making it the top-ranked automobile company in terms of charging infrastructure in China. NIO has completed over 45.63 million charging orders, with 80.25% coming from non-NIO owners, demonstrating the widespread appeal and utility of NIO infrastructure. NIO has also introduced several power journey routes, designed to provide dedicated charge and swap infrastructure to reach scenic destinations that were previously inaccessible to electric vehicles. Over 550,000 NIO owners have, on average, completed about 100 swaps per vehicle, and there are 832 swap stations along China's 13 major highways, providing a gas station-like experience in 19 provinces. NIO's innovative approach also includes flexible battery upgrade orders, with 273,907 orders to date. This approach not only saves customers money, but also conserves environmental resources by allowing users to upgrade their batteries only when necessary, rather than forcing them to purchase larger, more expensive battery packs. NIO reach isn't limited to China. The company recently celebrated a significant milestone when 9 NIO owners completed a 35-day journey across 8 countries in Europe, showcasing the versatility and reliability of NIO vehicles. One NIO owner drove 16,000 kilometers to Paris to watch the Olympics in a NIO ES6, covering 12 countries over 55 days and driving more than 20,000 kilometers. This incredible feat underscores the capabilities of NIO's vehicles and infrastructure. NIO also announced its ambitious PowerUp Counties initiative, aiming to have swap stations in every county across China by June 30, 2025. The goal is to enable drivers to travel from county to county using swap stations without the need for traditional charging. The rollout will occur in 3 phases. By June 30, 2025, 14 provinces and 1,800 counties will have swap stations, covering 2,300 counties by the end of 2025 and 2,800 by 2026. This expansion requires the construction of a new battery swap station factory, further highlighting NIO's commitment to building the infrastructure needed to support its ambitious goals. NIO has invested heavily in research and development from day one, with over 2,100 charging and swapping patents to its name. This makes NIO the industry leader in terms of patents. The company has also developed 54 standards for battery swapping in cooperation with the government, bringing NIO closer to standardization across the industry. One of NIO's most exciting innovations is a new portable car-to-car charger. This device delivers 40 kilowatt of power at 1000 volts with a 95% energy conversion rate. Weighing 29 kilos and about the size of a 20-inch suitcase, this charger is designed for emergency situations where charging resources are scarce, such as in remote or desert areas. NIO also discussed its Smart Swap-enabled swap stations, which feature 23 batteries and can perform up to 480 swaps per day. These stations use hardware LiDAR to guide non-autonomous vehicles to the swap station, enabling autonomous swapping. The company has also introduced a 3-shift sync swap system, allowing NIO technicians, owners, and headquarters to monitor swap progress in real time. Autonomous valet swapping is expected to roll out later this year, further enhancing the convenience of NIO services. NIO Power has also developed a cloud-based efficient management system called Athena, which uses intelligent site selection and decision support to predict swap demand in specific areas. The Power Swap Station Digital Twin is another innovation that allows NIO to track over 100 million events and 200 data points, providing real-time insights into the status of each swap station. This system also enhances battery safety management, with a 98% detection rate for potential issues and a 95% accuracy rate in diagnosing problems. NIO is not just focused on vehicle charging, but is also contributing to grid stabilization and energy storage through its virtual power plant initiatives. On the Shanghai grid, 126 swap stations have already diverted 61,894 kilowatt-hours of peak load. NIO Virtual Power Plant engages 1,767 swap stations and 27K chargers, ensuring that charging occurs during off-peak hours to reduce strain on the grid. The first expressway PowerUp station is now operational. This station is unique because it not only performs swaps but also adjusts power usage according to grid demands, releasing power back to the grid when needed. These stations are set to become more common, with the first one launched in June. NIO also launched a V2G vehicle-to-grid-based local power management system, allowing owners to sell electricity back to the grid using their vehicles as mobile batteries. This system could earn owners up to 10K RMB, approximately $1,500 annually, by taking advantage of electricity price fluctuations. William Lai emphasized the importance of partnerships in achieving NIO ambitious goals. Cooperation, he said, is essential for NIO to reach its targets, and it's something that cannot be accomplished by NIO alone. The NIO PowerUp app, a dedicated charging app for non-NIO owners, now has over 6 million registered users, further expanding NIO influence in the EV market. Lai also provided updates on swapping partners, noting that everything is progressing well, although friendly competitors still need time to develop vehicles compatible with battery swapping. Since 2021, NIO has formed strategic partnerships with several major energy companies, including China's 3 largest oil companies and Shell. Together, they've built 333 swap stations in 3 years, with 2 of these stations located in Europe. Additionally, Zhong'an Power will build over 1,000 swap and charging stations in Anhui Province, where NIO manufacturing base is located. The first of these stations was completed in June 2024, signaling strong commitment from NIO partners to expanding swap station infrastructure. One of the most significant announcements at NIO Power Day was the introduction of a new PowerUp franchising model. This model allows anyone to become a franchise partner, emphasizing that infrastructure is a shared responsibility, not just NIO. There are 3 main partnership models available. This model is straightforward and common in the industry. If you have your own field, parking lot, or area with the necessary energy capacity for fast charging and construction capabilities, you can partner with NIO to set up charging stations. This model is particularly appealing to businesses like restaurants or Airbnb hosts in tourist areas, offering a simple and efficient way to support the EV infrastructure. In this model, investors provide the capital, and NIO handles all the heavy lifting, including site selection and construction. Investors receive a fixed return on their investment, making this a low-risk option suitable for investment funds seeking stable returns. The performance of the swap stations does not impact the returns, making this model almost like a mutual fund. For those who see the potential in the electric transition and want to earn more as swapping and charging become more popular, this model offers the opportunity to earn dividends based on the performance of the swap stations. If the stations perform well, investors earn more. If they don't, returns are lower. This model appeals to those looking for a bit more involvement and potential upside in their investment. To conclude, NIO Power Day 2024 was a monumental event that showcased NIO's unwavering commitment to expanding its battery swap infrastructure, advancing its R&D efforts, and fostering partnerships that will drive the company's future growth. The introduction of the battery swap franchising model is particularly noteworthy, as it opens up new opportunities for investors and businesses to participate in NIO vision. With these developments, NIO is well positioned to lead the electric vehicle industry into a new era of innovation. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.